Greetings. Today, I'm going to talk about how I make between $1,000 and $3,000 a month on eBay. I'm not a reseller. I'm not running a warehouse. I spend about 10 to 20 minutes a day, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Okay, as usual, we go to my eBay selling screen, which is this one. We're going to, first thing, check your renewing items. Let's see. Oh, bar mirror. Yep, good looking unit. Title looks good. My scroll wheel is a little squirrely. Okay, we're in nice shape. The description looks good. Recommended price, we're right around that. I think we'll let's just make a little change. We'll drop it $1 and drop the minimum offer a couple of bucks. Give us some cushion in case we get now if I drop the price, then I don't add anything to visibility, but if I leave it the same or raise it, I'll change the visibility. Okay, we're happy with that. And well, we got another fishing lure. And we noticed that it had 11 views, 2 people watching it, so there's some activity on it. So this one might get somewhere by just dropping the price a little and seeing what we come up with. Fishing, okay, everything looks good there. Whoop, spelling error. Not new ion package, new in package. Let's drop it to 16 when you have a lot of items. $1 or $2 this or that way, doesn't matter a whole lot. 16, we're good with the minimum offer. And seeing as we're willing to take it anyway, we don't need to add visibility because we already have some watchers and viewers. So let's revise that. Okay, that's good there. Now we go back to our and we're going to go to our drafts, and we have to put up 1 item today. Wow, we have a nice Yadro we'll put up, so let's resume that draft. This is all stuff that were just in boxes that we'd have to have the kids pick through, and instead of doing that, we're going to be able to give them a check. Now, we don't have kids, but that doesn't matter. Condition, yep, new. Make sure that these figurine numbers match what's on the box, because when I looked it up, it was a different number, but looked the same. So I patterned this off of another Yadro item. So make sure everything matches up. 149, 139, and we'll make this 139.99 for the auto accept. We look, item origin, and every day we're going to list 1 item. And back to the selling page. We're up to, I got 96 now. And bear in mind, we had, 5 minutes of doing this? 5 to 7 minutes. And we're going to be good for $1,000 to $3,000 a month. To find out if something is worth selling, go to your phone, get to your eBay app, take a photo of it, and you'll get this screen. And it shows you what things that look like it have sold for. Click the sold items, and now it'll show you what things actually sold for, not what people are trying to get for it. Typically, I'll put up one a day. So we go to our drafts. We try to keep these 4 or 5 ahead. And I have a Rolling Stone magazine picture annual. So let's resume the draft on this. This is on deck. So, we have a lot of good pictures. Reasonable description, AI, and typically read these. Make sure that they say what you want them to say. Yeah, that one looks good. Yep, $19 minimum offer we'll take. And I'm not going to promote it yet because hopefully it'll sell before we have to promote it. Now I'm going to list it. That's taking care of pretty much what I have to do daily. Go back to selling. This is the screen you're going to be in most of the time. And we look at, this gives you a view of the last 90 days and what kind of money's been coming in. Again, I've just come back from vacation, so we're just starting. Everything dies off. We build things back up. And summertime's kind of slow. But as you get into the fall, we start to generate some reasonable money. This is how I start my day. Go to eBay. Go to my selling screen. Take a look at what I have here. And first thing is go to my renewing screen. This lists them by amount of value. And here, first thing I look at is, well, haven't anybody look at it. Still one available. This one, we got a lot of people looking at it, so we'll do something. Maybe adjust the price a little. But this one, nobody's been looking at it, so we'll go into edit. And this is for a float tank in a steam trap system. And what we'll do is we check and make sure that our descriptions are good. Typically use the AI description. And because nobody's looked at it, I'm not going to change the price. It doesn't seem to make sense. But what I will do is we're going to get down here and, well, we do have a 13% ad rate. So this is to promote the product. And if we're still already promoting it and it's not still getting any views, well then let's quit promoting it and just let it run through its next cycle and see if it catches anything. When you have over, typically I was been on vacation, so I've dropped down a lot, but this one we're going to take and say a nice fishing lure. A lot of people love looking at fishing lures. Make sure the pictures are good. Condition, description, again the AI description. And typically I'm going to look at, let's drop this to $26.97. 100 to 200 active items will get you around one sale per day. $33 a day is $1,000 a month. 100 per day is $3,000 a month. If it's less than $5, don't bother listing it on eBay. 25 to 35 is the sweet spot. If you're close to retirement or already there, and you want to protect what you've built, please subscribe. And check the links below for the Excel sheet that I use to make the decisions on to keep it, donate it, throw it away. See you next week. Thanks.